Yeah, I was working with a family recently, really nice family out of Baton Rouge. The husband, the wife came into the office to visit with me. Their daughter came in. They were referred by their financial advisor to be, who also works out of Baton Rouge. And that financial advisor has a really good trusting relationship with me, and fortunate that he entrusts his clients in our legal services and in me. But nonetheless, the husband, the father, was real clear about what their estate planning goals were. He said, number one, we want to make sure we maintain our worth. He said, number two, we want to make sure there's a fair distribution of what we have to our children when we pass away. And number three, we'd like to minimize taxes. So we started talking about those things, and I thought to myself, he didn't bring up anything about potentially losing things in case there's a nursing home situation, so let me bring it up. I brought it up, and he said, you know what, that's not something we've given a lot of thought, and that's not something we've talked a lot about. Our plan is to stay out of the nursing home, but you never know. If the family can't take care of us, we might have to go into a nursing home. So protecting ourselves from that fits right in with our number one goal, which is maintaining our worth. They owned a home, they owned a couple of pieces of rental property, and so they quickly learned that if there was a nursing home situation, they'd have to sell all of their rental property and use all of the proceeds to pay for those nursing home expenses at many thousands of dollars a month. So they were real pleased and really eager to get started on setting up a plan where they could arrange things so that no additional income tax would be due. There's not going to be any estate tax when they pass away. Everything's going to be arranged so that if in the future there is a nursing home situation, that rental property, their life savings will be protected. And so they felt good about that. We started immediately, and they're well on their way to having everything in order. So if that's a concern of yours, probably the most important thing is addressing this ahead of time. If you'd like to have a conversation with us, feel free and let us know. Have a good day.